Welcome back to Meyer Woodworking on YouTube. Well, it's finally the weekend, and as I was talking about earlier in my first video, it's time to clean up the mess. We have a workshop that's not workable right now. I have everything thrown around, as I said in my first video where I had a hand accident and cut it through a table saw. Not fun, but it's not the woodworking I wanted to do at the time, so I am ready to get back to it. It's an enjoyable art, it's an enjoyable hobby, and I'd like you to tag along with me. So little by little we will put this shop back into shape. And then from there, we will start making some workshop jigs and things we need around here. And then pretty soon, small projects to large projects. And off we go. After some hard work, we can finally say we got some progress here this weekend. Pretty much took down everything. Everything you can see. Just got a few a fan and a heater to take down, and I got to take down the little wood rack. Otherwise, everything else has been taken out of this room, and I also got to take out the clamp rack, but that's fine. So we got much more to go. So I'll get that done this weekend. Come in, fix some holes, tape, and then we'll get ready to. We're gonna get ready to paint. And then after painting, we'll paint the ceiling and we'll paint the walls, and then we can put in the lighting, as I was talking about with the LED lights from Barina, I think it was, that was mentioned on Shop Nation. Thanks, Shop Nation. They look good. I think I should have about 8, I think it is, 8 or 10 5500K. So we'll see what happens. Get some daylight, a little bit different than these fluorescents that we have right now. I'll put them over in my regular garage over on the other side. And then the other thing would be the flooring. And my question is, should we do the epoxy flooring, or should we put in a nice wood flooring? So one, get a little warmer in here during the winter, and get it off the ground so the moisture doesn't build up, and put a vapor barrier in and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do later. So that's my question. So if you have any ideas or anything like that, or comments, let me know below. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye. Remember, making with sweat and dust. Hey, and again, thanks for watching. If you like this video content, please hit the subscribe button. Also, you can see the previous video there on the left. Stay tuned for more.